All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Tectonic cryptocurrency. It's down slightly right this second. Ding, ding, ding. Could be one of those discount buys that we like to talk about. Going to go to their website, go to their Twitter, do a little price prediction when we're done, all kinds of good stuff. And how Bitcoin has outperformed tech stocks the last month by 12%. So even though Bitcoin's been having their ups and downs and this and that, it's outperformed the top 5 tech stocks by an average of at least 12%. So we're going to kind of check out the Bitcoin versus the tech stocks. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. I'll go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day, even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to Tectonic. All right, Tectonic over here at CoinMarketCap is number 2992. Ding, 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 28% down. This is way above the 12 and 15% and sometimes 20% to get the discount buy, but we're going to go ahead and click it. Take a look. It's down 1.8% in the last 24 hours. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different zeros and a 96.14. Do a price prediction when we're done here. Here's in the last 24 hours, dropping off the mountain, kind of doing that. But in the last 7 days, it's been on a lot of cryptocurrencies right this second are kind of doing this pattern right here. So as we're seeing this happen, what are we supposed to do? Reposition? Discount buy? What are your thoughts? Over here at the website, Tectonic shifts in lending and borrowing. Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning passive yield and accessing instant-backed loans. It generates passive yield on your assets. Crypto assets deposited into Tonic earns attractive APYs based on dramatic rates according to the market demands. Earnings are available immediately with no lockup. It says instant loans, instant liquidity at your fingertips. Get an instant loan to unlock liquidity from idle crypto assets into Tectonic. So if you got idle crypto assets, you may want to actually send them over to Tectonic. Over here at the Twitter account, a couple things just a few days ago. It says, good morning, Tectonians. Dual rewards, VVS and Tonic. Farms on VVS Finance incoming. Stake your VVS and your Tonic LP tokens to earn both VVS and Tonic at the same time. And it says right here, what's better than being rewarded with 1 token in Crystal Farms? You got it. How about 2? Multiple rewards for farms are here. So if you want to get paid twice, you should go ahead and go over to Tectonic, the VVS and Tonic, and stake them. And when you do that, you're going to get rewarded twice, which is fantastic. So I'm over here at the Tectonic white pages, just checking this out. What is Tectonic? For our viewers that don't know, Tectonic is a decentralized, non-custodial, algorithmic-based money market protocol that allows users to participate in liquidity supply of borrowers. Supplies provide liquidity to the market to earn passive income, while borrowers are able to earn borrowed liquidity in over-collateralized fashion. Tectonic's protocol's designs reference compounds a proven audited protocol. It is complementary with an attractive incentive program powered by Tonic, a native token of Tectonic protocol. In summary, Tectonic aims to provide security, seamless cryptocurrency money market, enabling multiple use cases for users. Holders, traders, and users. Holders can generate additional returns from interest by supplying assets with protocols without having to actively manage their assets. That's pretty important. You can kind of just put it in and let it go, not have to be so involved. Traders can borrow certain cryptocurrency to capitalize their short-term trading view or yield maximum opportunities, which is farming. And last and surely not least, users can obtain access to other cryptocurrencies for multiple purposes without having to have liquidity, their own original asset. All right, what is Tectonic right there? All right, so don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Tectonic is down 28% right this second. There's a lot of things that are down right now. So here's the thing. Again, I'm not a financial planner. All this information is for educational purposes only. But there's a lot of different coins and projects you're probably looking into that you believe in. And if you believe these projects are going to be doing good in 3 months and 6 months and you fast forward a year, then you want to kind of get positioned in something like a Tectonic that if it's down this much, I don't know, is it a good time to reposition, get yourself back in there? If you've never been in Tectonic, is it a good time to get involved? 28% down? I don't know. Ding, ding, ding. Let's check it out. All right, what about Bitcoin? People talk about Bitcoin not doing so well, but Bitcoin actually outperformed the top 5 tech stocks in the last month. With its ups and its downs, the Bitcoin is outperforming. Let's go ahead and head over to the Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin outperforms major tech stocks by an average of 12% in the last 30 days. So right there's our Bitcoin, and we're going to see what's going on with the Bitcoin. Despite Bitcoin market starting this year at a choppy note, the cryptocurrency has demonstrated its growing dominance by outperforming major tech stocks. Holy cow. Bitcoin has outperformed the top 6 tech stocks by an average ROI of 12%. Data from Finbode ROI tool indicator. The cryptocurrency significantly outperformed the Meta by 46%, followed by electric vehicles. Tesla, they outperformed them by 18%. The asset outperformed Amazon by 3.78%, and it also outperformed Google here by 1.84%. Compared to Microsoft, Bitcoin's ROI was 1.94% higher. Elsewhere, the number 1 ranked crypto ROI almost matched Apple, surpassing the stock. So take a look at that. Basically, Bitcoin right here outperformed all of these. And then take a look here. Here's all those stocks, Apple and Microsoft and everything. It outperformed Meta by 46%. It outperformed Tesla by 18%. It outperformed Amazon by 3.78%. It outperformed Google by 1.84%. Outperformed Microsoft by 1.9%, and even outperformed that Apple stock. So Bitcoin is doing pretty good. Take a look at that chart right there. It outperformed everybody. Meta was, formerly Facebook, was outperformed by a freaking lot. The recent potential indicator that Bitcoin might be on course to retain its status as one of the best performing assets in the recent month. Last year, Bitcoin emerged as the leading investment product with returns over 60% last year. Yeah, so you always hear Bitcoin's down, but if you would have bought it last year, it's up 60%, it's saying, from last year. Bitcoin's down, Bitcoin's doing so bad, but it outperformed all those tech stocks. So in essence, you remember, strap in, get ready. Crypto can go straight up, crypto can go straight down, it can go to the left, and it can go to the right, all in the same day. So that's the part about crypto that you just don't know, but it's outperforming and beating those tech stocks. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, let's head back over to Tectonic and do a price prediction. All right, back over here at the website, keeping the funds safe is our top priority. They got audited smart contracts. Our smart contracts have been audited by leading blockchain security auditors. Slomis. The insurance fund is coming. The open source are among the founding principles of DeFi, with Tectonic probably is committed to. The frequently asked questions: what is Tectonic? Tectonic is a decentralized, non-custodial, algorithmic money-making protocol. Users can't, now this is kind of nice, users can deposit assets to earn, our favorite word, passive income, or borrow funds to unlock liquidity in their assets. How does Tectonic work? Funds are deposited by users, are provided as liquidity to borrowers, who may borrow at a variable interest rate. Tectonic smart contract adjusts these rates based on each market utilization of the rate. And last, and surely not least, what is Tectonic? Tectonic is a protocol token with 2 key use cases: governance and staking into the community. Insurance pools to secure the protocol and earn more rewards. All right, over here at Tectonic's website. Fantastic. And don't forget, you can get paid twice over here by staking your VVS and your Tonic and the LPs and earn both VVS and Tonic at the same time. All right, what's our price prediction? I got 2 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, 96.13. It's going to crush one of these zeros. This 96 is going to click over. So that's my first price prediction. My second one is the 28%. It's going to bounce back something. All our information is for educational purposes only. Keep an eye on this. But this is the time to ding, ding, ding. Reposition if you want. Again, I'm not a financial planner. We're just all friends here. So, hey, sharing this and learning all about cryptocurrency with all ya. Looking at this board here, here's something crazy. Tectonic's down 28%. Look above here, down 40%. Look above here, Oh my, Onson, Onston, down 65%. So a lot of things are red right now. You may want to check out that drip project that we talk about. At the end of the video here, I'll link a video, but drip, you put your initial investment in, you get 365% of your initial investment, 1% a day, every single day. You can hydrate the money and put it back into the faucet and compound it, or you can claim the money. There's taxes on it. Go to their white pages. I'll have something in the bottom. You can check it out. But Drip Network could be something that, again, buying the coin and hoping it goes to the moon is always a great strategy. I get it. But there's other different projects like Node projects, Drip Garden projects, Project X projects, all kinds of different things. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for tuning in. Click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here to see the video about the Drip Network 1%. My buddy referral link's in there if you need a buddy. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. We'll see you a little bit later on.